How do we make a decision? How do we remember?
Why do we forget? How do we learn a language?
What makes us happy? What makes us sad?
What is a thought? How do we imagine?
Create, dance,
Play, plan,
listen,
love,
try.
react.
These questions have one thing in common: the most complex living structure in the known universe, the human brain.
The key to the most profound and enduring mysteries about ourselves. Who are we? Why do we behave the way we do?
The brain, our center of decision and communication, the crux of what makes each of us unique.
Its complexity? Hard to imagine. 100 billion neurons, each one analyzing and processing information.
It's so intricate. We know very little about how the brain develops, functions, and is organized. That lack of knowledge has limited our ability to develop life-changing treatments for neurological and psychiatric disorders that affect more than 1 billion people worldwide. The Max Planck Florida Institute for Neuroscience is going to change that. Named after the father of quantum theory, the Max Planck Society has a history that runs deep. Founded in Germany in 1948, the Society's core mission is to provide scientists with resources to pursue basic research, fundamental to scientific discovery. As a result, the Max Planck Society's more than 80 research institutes have produced a staggering 17 Nobel laureates, with scientific breakthroughs that affect our lives each and every day. Now, for the first time ever, the prestigious Max Planck Society has come to America, adding its intellectual might to research that will provide the foundation for developing treatments for a host of brain disorders.
The new Max Planck Florida Institute for Neuroscience will support scientists from around the world who are developing and using cutting-edge technology, some of it developed right here, giving us new insight into our capacity to perceive, think, speak, remember, feel, and take action.
There are so many neurological disorders that are well known to doctors, researchers, and our families. But despite intense efforts, cures remain elusive.
Why have medical breakthroughs been so rare?
Where are the effective drugs?
What's holding scientists back? These researchers are already looking at how our brain develops during infancy, how different life experiences shape our brain,
how information passes from one neuron to the next, and how memories are stored. And that's just the start.
This research will reverberate throughout the scientific community. Discoveries made here will be shared publicly with scholars, universities, and other institutions around the world, so that others may advance life-saving and life-improving treatments for brain disorders.
And because we live in an increasingly global and interconnected world, the Institute will help train future leading scientists, giving them the knowledge and tools they need to make their own discoveries. This is life-changing work. As we begin to better understand how the brain works, we will finally be able to solve some of the most challenging medical issues of our time. The Max Planck Institute for Neuroscience.
Today's basic science, the foundation for tomorrow's cures.